Hi everyone, welcome back to Web3 Planet. Alright, I'm just gonna be real with you. Trying to find the right crypto wallet these days can be exhausting. Half of them are way too complicated, and the other half are so basic they feel useless. I've been testing a few of the big ones over the past few months: Bitget wallet, MetaMask, and Trust wallet, and I've got some thoughts. Now, one of them seriously surprised me this year. It's doing way more than the others, not just for trading, but for actually using crypto in real life. So today I will break down all three, tell you what I like, what's missing, and why one of them has pretty much become my main wallet. Let's jump in. So let's start with one that really stands out: Bitget wallet. I will be honest, I didn't expect to like it as much as I do, but it's kind of changed how I use crypto day to day. This is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you control your keys, no one else touching your funds. It's trusted by over 80 million users, supports 130 plus blockchains, and has access to over 1 million tokens. That's huge. It's built for the entire crypto world, not just one chain. Now, what makes Bitget wallet different is how much it set up. Everything's cleanly organized into 4 simple sections: trade, earn, pay, and discover. If you like trading or chasing altcoin gems, this is where Bitget really shines. They have even built an entire ecosystem around this called Alt Venture, which helps you spot early trends, hidden gems, and new opportunities, all directly into the app. Now check this out. This is one of my favorite parts about their mobile app, Meme Scan. It's basically a radar for meme coins. It tracks risk and hype in real time. You can see if big holders are selling, if social buzz is rising, and whether a token is gaining traction before it pops. It's like having that alpha info everyone wants, but without digging throughout endless charts or Twitter threads. Then there is Bitget Alpha, which shows trending tokens and what whales are buying. It's literally like a curated watch list for smart traders. You just tap, check the data, and you're good to go. And when you want to trade, it's instant. The swap speed is super quick, and you can do it across different chains without leaving the app. Now, this one honestly genius. Get gas. You know these moments when you are trying to send or swap something, but you don't have a tiny bit of Ethereum or Solana for these gas fees. Yeah, it's annoying. Get gas fixed that. You can just pay your gas fees using stablecoins like USDT or USDC. No need to hold small bits of every native token. The wallet figures it out automatically. It's one of those small but huge features that makes crypto actually easy to use. Now let's talk about the earn section. If you're just holding stablecoins, Bitget lets you actually earn on them. Their stablecoin Earn Plus feature offers up to 10% API. That's a 10 times what banks give you, and it's flexible. You can deposit or withdraw anytime, and the system's powered by Aave, so it's secured and transparent. It's a super chill way to grow your holdings without taking big risks. And here's what Bitget really starts to feel like the future. Throughout the pay section, you can spend your crypto just like cash. You can scan QR codes in supported stores. They're expanding in places like Vietnam and Philippines and other places in the entire world. Also, you can even get a Bitget wallet card. It is a Visa or MasterCard, and it lets you spend crypto directly at 150 plus million merchants worldwide. No top-up fees, no annual fees, and you can even add into Apple Pay or Google Pay. That's where Bitget really feels ahead. It's not just for trading, it's actually useful in daily life. Of course, all of this only matters if it is secured, and Bitget takes that seriously. They've got a $300 million user protection fund, which is one of the biggest safety nets in the Web3 right now. That kind of a backing gives you peace of mind. Combine that with non-custodial control, it's easily one of the safest yet most flexible wallets out there. What I really like here is how everything just right there. You can check your portfolio, swap tokens, stake, and even pay for stuff, all without touching your computer. The design is clean, fast, and not confusing, which is rare for crypto apps. Next up, MetaMask. You can't talk wallets without mentioning it. It's basically the OG of Web3 wallets. Every dApp connects to it, and it's the go-to bridge between user and decentralized apps. It's super reliable and works well across desktop and mobile. The mobile app does what it should. It's simple and secure. But after using Bitget wallet, it just feels a little bit outdated. MetaMask is perfect for connecting to things, but not great for doing things. There is no built-in way to earn, no discovery tools, and definitely no real-world payments. Still, I think it deserves a solid number 2 spot because it's the most universal. Everything in DeFi recognizes it, and it's battle-tested. See, MetaMask is smooth for connecting to dApps, but that's about it. You can tell it wasn't really designed for the modern multi-features lifestyle wallet like Bitget. And finally, Trust Wallet. This one been around for years, and honestly, it's perfect for beginners. It's super simple, supports ton of blockchains, and it's great if you just want to store crypto safely or stake a few tokens. Plus, it's backed by Binance, so the on-ramp from exchange to wallet is smooth. You can easily buy crypto, transfer it, and keep it all in one place without any headaches. But it is still a pretty basic wallet. No integrated earnings, no real-world payments, and not much in terms of trading tools. So while it's great to start with, most users will eventually want more features, and that's where wallets like Bitget starts to shine. So Trust Wallet is honestly the easiest one to use when you are starting out. It's simple, looks good, and just works. But after you get comfortable, you will probably want more control. That's when you move up. So here is how I would rank them for 2025. First place, Bitget Wallet. The new champion. It's powerful, packed with features, and finally makes crypto usable for everyday life. Second one, MetaMask. Still the most compatible wallet for dApps, but it's a bit behind in the innovation. Thirdly, Trust Wallet. Best for beginners, simple and safe, but not built for advanced users. If you want a wallet that lets you trade, earn, and actually spend your crypto, Bitget Wallet is easily my top pick. That's my honest take. Let me know in the comments what you're using right now, or if there is another wallet you think deserves a mention. Also, don't forget to drop a like if this helped you out and subscribe for more Web3 content. So thanks guys again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.